What's up, warriors? Today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be sharing with you a 3-part Facebook ads with Clickbank series, showing you behind the scenes exactly what you need to do in order to create Facebook ads that convert for Clickbank products. As you can see, there is a pop-up on the screen. One of our members here has commented and asked if we were going to do a series about Clickbank and Facebook, and so I took that into consideration. And what I decided to do is actually create a series that you can follow step by step in order to start setting up your Facebook ads for your Clickbank business. Now, with everything that I'm going to be sharing with you throughout this entire process, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel to get all the future updates, because at any time I will go and take down certain videos on my channel just to clear it up and make sure that we have quality content on this channel. And so by subscribing to this YouTube channel now, you'll also get updates once you hit the notification bell straight onto your phone, and from that point on, obviously, you will get every single video that comes out on this channel, so you won't miss anything at all. And so what I'm going to do right now, today, is I'm going to do part 1 of this Facebook ads for Clickbank series video today, okay? And it's only going to be one part of the entire process. Once you stay tuned, what I will do is I will release part 2 and part 3 of this entire series as the days go on. It may not be back to back, like day to day, but I might, throughout time, maybe like every other day or something like that until the series is done. And so that's what you can expect through following the series. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to hop on over to my computer, where I'm going to share with you exactly what you need to do, step 1 of setting up your Facebook ads for Clickbank products. Alright, so this first tutorial is basically about Facebook ads for Clickbank, but more importantly, this is part 1 of a 3-part series where I'm going to be showing with you how to actually set up Facebook ads for your Clickbank products to 2 different ways actually inside this training. But more importantly, it's going to help you to start promoting your Clickbank products and making a lot more money in the process. So part 1 is finding a winning ad. You can't have a great campaign without a great winning ad, and this strategy I'm going to be showing you today is something that I use to find winning products on Facebook. So I'm going to hop on over to Facebook real quick, and I'm going to show you the strategy, and I want you to follow along with doing it. More importantly, taking action with it is obviously going to help you to start getting those results that you want. So alright, so I hopped on over to Facebook, and the first thing you want to follow up on, or what you need to do, is you need to go to this search box here, and I'm going to paste a line of text that I put in here, because this is what I use in order to find winning videos for all my Facebook Clickbank campaigns. And so here it says like, comma, comment, info, and what this allows me to do is search for people's ads that people posted on their fan pages that have a lot of views. And so, like, instead of me going through all of these posts and not knowing what's a video and what is a video, I'm gonna go straight over here. I'm gonna click on video, and now it's gonna pull up all the videos here on this page. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through each one of these that I see that has a lot of views on it. For example, this has 805,000 views on this video. And it's okay if the video does not exactly match up with your business, as long as it's in the make money online niche. So, and these are perfect for marketing Clickbank products, CPA offers, because it's a very generic video. It's just basically counting cash. These are the types of videos that will go viral on Facebook, and these are the type of videos that will get you the traffic that you want. Okay, and so what you need to do is you're gonna have to download this video, and the best way to do that is if you go up here in the link up top and go ahead and copy that, and then go over to, actually you can go to Google and you can type in download Facebook video. You can go ahead and click on the search, and then you're gonna look for something that says downvideo.net. And you're going to go and paste in the Facebook link, click on download, shows the video here, but you're gonna have to click on it down here, and this will play. Then there's like 3 little dots over here that you click on, and it says download. Hit the download. It's gonna download straight to your computer. So now that you have the video on your desktop or wherever you placed it in your files or whatnot, you're then going to go and obviously start setting up everything. You know, you can set up the Facebook ad on the next training, but I think at this point you have the video downloaded to your computer. More or less what you need to do today is also get a Facebook account set up. And so on your profile page, if you go to your Facebook and you go to your profile page here, you can go ahead and create your ad straight from here. If you've never set up any type of Facebook ad whatsoever on Facebook, then it's automatically going to make you create a Facebook ad. And so at that point, there's no point in us going any further if that's what's going to happen. But you need to go ahead and, you know, obviously you have to have a Facebook ad account in order for this to work. The second thing is that you need to create a page, okay, a fan page to use for this. Now I recommend using a community page because it's easier to you know, to set up. And then I recommend thinking about like a different, like a woman's name, for example, and then like make up a last name, right? And then let's see, community page. And the reason why I do it this way is because like 9 times out of 10 women pages convert more than men pages, and so you know, that's what I do, and that's what you know, my students do to create CPA, like thousands of dollars with CPA and also with Clickbank, and so it just works. Now I have to warn you, obviously the strategy is of a black hat strategy because of the simple fact that Facebook doesn't like anything that has to do with like affiliate marketing on Facebook. And so that's what deems the strategy a black hat strategy, because although it is against the rules, although there's people making thousands of dollars using this method, it's just a matter of time before like your ad account may go down or whatnot. And so that's just a precaution. That's just the risk that you take by setting up these types of campaigns. It is something that is not against that is against the rules. However, you know, obviously people do it all the time, and you know, what could happen is that you could lose your Facebook ad account. Doesn't mean that you can't create a new Facebook ad account or anything like that, but it just means that that particular account will at some point get shut down. Would that be tomorrow? Would that be next week? I can't predict that. It's just the nature of the beast. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and skip through this process. And what you would do is you would upload a picture, and it could just be of whatever. You know, like some model or something like that, or whatever. Or it could be a mom, you know. You know, something like this. Anyway, so you're gonna obviously use this image here, upload it here. Now it wants a cover photo. So I'm going to go ahead and just look at a family or something like that. Looks to be a lot of weird photos here. Nah. You know what? It could just be a pink background. It doesn't matter. something like this or whatever. Okay, upload the cover. Okay, and now you have a Facebook set up for this person here, but for whatever reason this did not pop up. Maybe too small. I don't know. But you had to fix that later on, but more importantly, you're going to be running ads from this profile and you need it set up. This is step number one and part number one of this process. If you follow along with what I'm doing, you already heard some of the things that could happen to you. That's just the name of the game with the strategy with Facebook, because they don't like affiliate marketing, no matter how you slice it. It just, one method that I'm going to show you is puts it into a slight grayish area. And the other strategy is just black hat. It's just what it is, and it's just what people are doing to make money with this strategy, and how it significantly boosts your revenue. Okay, but there is two strategies I'm going to teach you inside of this series. So right now, I would say if you're done with this training right now, and this is the first time you went on any of one of my tutorials, go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel, as I do have multiple updates on different types of marketing systems and training that I do tutorials on, and so this is just one of them. So anyways, you guys take care, and I will definitely see you at the top.